Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie, and I wanted to give you an example of a last minute road trip. Jerry had an emergency road trip. He's got to go be with his family in Wyoming, so he's driving there. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm packing him up, and I want to show you how we do it with what we have going on in our workplace for wellness. So we stick to our protective diet no matter what life throws our way. So what I have here is, let's see, what's Jerry's gonna eat? So I made a lemon poppy seed loaf and sugar-free lemon poppy seed muffins for Jerry to share with his family on Saturday morning. And I wanted to send them a treat because I couldn't be with him. And I made him some sugar-free Cocoa Puffs, cold box of milk, soy milk, and then for his dinner, when he arrives there, well, it's 2 in the morning, so this would be his 2 in the morning on Thursday morning going into Friday. So this will be his feast on Friday night. That's his burrito bowl. I made the beans and rice recipe in the Instant Pot, let it cool off, and then I threw in some shredded lettuce, some tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, pico de gallo kind of thing. And in between the lettuce there and the veggies, I have yogurt and some fermented salsa. So you could use jarred salsa if you want to. You know about this travel class, how this comes together so quick and easy. And then I have tortilla chips that were left over from dinner last night. Oh, those are so good. Homemade corn tortillas baked into tortilla chips. Those are optional. If you don't have those, just make more rice. And then I had some corn crisps in a jar, so I threw those in a container. He can eat those along with that. And then a Yogi bowl I put in a repurposed protective diet broth mix jar, so he doesn't have to worry about getting that back home. And there it is, yummo. I made him the Yogi bowl, with the toasted rolled oats. And then there's some bananas, some steel cut oats, and I also threw in some pasta, some plant-based broth mix, and the soy milk he has to go with the Cocoa Puffs. So he could make some kid spaghetti if he wants to, because his dad has an Instant Pot. And then water, filtered water. So it's all going into a cooler bag. And he's got his bag packed, his clothes, and he's ready to go. As you can see, we never deviate from our protective diet in good times and in somewhat bad. So take care, everyone, and best of health. Eat well and be well.